Are you looking at the cow? Look it. Pull the cow. Pull the cow. Old MacDonald. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. You pull. You hold. You hold. You hold before here. Hold it. Hold it. You want to hold it? Here. You hold it. There you go. Good boy. Oh no! Get it! Get it! Ah. Are you talking to the animals? Are you talking to the animals? Are you talking to them? Talk to the cow. Talk to the cow and the sheep and the pig. Are you talking to them? What are they telling you? Are they telling you stories? Are they telling you about Old MacDonald? Yeah. Talk to them. Tell them how much you like them. Tell them how you love the song, Old MacDonald. Yeah. Yeah. Here. Yeah. Talk to them. Are you talking to them? Are you telling them stories? Are you getting upset because they're not talking back? Yeah? It's okay. Look. There you go. Oh, no, don't cry. Don't cry. Look. Look. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, look at the cow. Yeah.